Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a what's in my handbag. To start off with, I've got my first beauty bag. So my first beauty bag comes from A New Look and it's $5.99. When we open it up, it's just got basically my everyday products that I would mostly need when I go out. A lot of the time I don't really use every single product, but yes, they do come in handy. In this beauty bag, my favourite product would be the e.l.f. primer. So this is actually the tallest one, and this one comes from Superdrug. I do highly recommend this one. So yeah guys, go try it out. They have like loads of different kinds. Secondly is my favourite MAC lipstick. So this one's actually 20 something pounds, I can't remember, and it's actually called, I think this is the Blush Teddy colour. I don't know if it's actually focused, if you can see it. So this is actually my favourite lipstick colour. My second item in my bag is another makeup bag. This is my Benefit beauty bag. This beauty bag, I think I got it sent to me because I've got loads of products. I don't really know why. Anyways, I think it's a really super cute. It's like a glittery beauty bag. It's a good size. And again, I have loads of my makeup in here. I actually have, one of my favourite products is an eyelash. Now, I'm actually wearing eyelashes on me. But shout out to my girl, Shy Beauty. So this is actually her brand. So yes, this is actually a little box that she has with her little eyelashes. Super cute. I'm wearing them at the moment. To find out about prices, you would have to kind of contact her. Different eyelashes at different prices. My next favourite product in this beauty bag is a Revolution kit. I love Revolution. In one of my videos, I was actually talking about how I really adored Revolution eyeshadows, just because of how pigmented they are. This is a cute little eyeshadow that I can actually put in my handbag. A lot of my eyeshadows are kind of bigger sized. So this is a size that's suitable for my bag. And yeah, I just got a couple of other things in there. My next beauty product in my handbag is another beauty bag. This beauty bag, I've had it for a long time. It's looking disgusting. It's like a leathery kind of material. When you open it up, it's kind of got my everyday things again. It's a lot more squished up in here. My favourite beauty product in this kind of beauty bag is a sleek palette. You've got like a little mini contour. Please don't look at my mirror. Got a mini contour and a highlight. Super cute, super small. Touch up that glow on your face, which is cute. And my next favourite item is also the NYX lipstick, lip gloss, which is actually a matte version. I absolutely love this one, and this one comes to be, I think, £7 or £8, so from Boots, so you can pick that up in your local store. So yes, this is really heavy every day in my handbag. I think this is what weighs me down a lot. So if you want to know what else is in my beauty bag, just comment below and I will actually make a video based on that. So we will be surprised in what's in there. Next up in my bag is a Victoria's Secret Coconut Passion Spray. I love this one. It smells really good, you know. Yeah, it smells lovely. I love it. A lot of the time I used to bring perfume bottles with me, the glass ones, but somehow they would always end up breaking in my handbag, leaking everywhere. So I kind of wanted something with a plastic base. But again, I love Victoria's Secret and I love this kind of smell. It's super light and it actually lasts forever. I've had this for like quite a few months, to be honest, and I wear this pretty much every single day and I'm always topping up forever during the day, so I do recommend this. I can't actually remember how much this is, so you do have to go to the Victoria store and check, but absolutely love it. Next in my handbag I have a pen. This pen comes from Tesco. It's just basically a normal black pen. Not really interesting, but yes, again, I always do carry a pen a lot of the time because if I'm on the go and I have to remember something, I just write it down, you know. They come in handy anytime, really. Next in my handbag, I actually carry plasters. I'm forever hurting myself somehow, I don't know. I just find random cuts on my hands. I always walk in random things, so yes. A lot of the time I get blisters as well. If I'm always wearing those beautiful, nice skinny shoes, or those nice shoes that I get from I don't know where. I always do need these plasters, so these come in handy. The next thing I have is my beautiful camera, which I do a lot of my recordings on. Right now I'm not doing my recording with this camera just because I'm videoing with this camera. But yes, this is a really nice little camera I have. It's cute, it's actually pretty light, and I love it. You can actually flip it up, which is good, and when you're actually recording, you can see yourself here. So if I just turn this on, maybe you guys might be able to see a little bit of your don't know. Anyways, this is what I did a lot of my recordings on, such as my makeup routine and a lot of my other videos. So yes, I do recommend every single one of you to get a camera just like one of these. Next, I have the little stand for it, which is Manfrotto. And so it's really simple. You basically just get your camera and you just screw it on like this. And it's basically got like little alien legs. And yeah, it's pretty much cute. You can basically take it around with you, you know, just, yes. So I do recommend, if you do have a little camera, get yourself a little stand. They are about £20, they are super affordable, and yes, I would recommend them. Next up in my handbag, I don't know if I can show this, but yes, I do have a sanitary towel. Being a girl, you do need sanitary towels, pretty much every single month. Next up, again, I do have another matte lipstick. This one is more like a pinky shade. This one's really pretty. If I actually do like a swab on my hand, ooh, look how pretty that is. So again, this is the same price as the other one, as the Blush Teddy. This one's called Mihir number A87. So I really love this one. It's just a cute, simple lipstick, and it's from MAC, and yeah, I do recommend it. Next off, I have my battery Anker, which is currently dead at the moment. This one you can actually get from Amazon. You can get really simple, cheap ones. You can get them from Amazon, eBay, any electrical homeware basically. And this one wasn't too expensive. This was about £20. It's super good. It can do 2 full charges on your phone. I'm literally forever on my phone. So yes, an Anker does save your life. So I do recommend to get one. This actual kind of make comes in loads of different colours. But I like the black one because it matches my phone. Next in my bag, I have my purse. This one I can't actually remember where it's from. I'm just literally in love with pink. So when you open it up, it's actually like a book. There's just so much stuff in here. And yeah, I do recommend a big purse if you are somebody who's got lots of bank cards. I remember I had a little purse and I just had so many bank cards. I was losing half of them, they were all falling out. So I love something with a lot of slots, and yes, you know. Next off in my bag is my work phone. So I actually got my pretty little case from Skinny Dip. They're like a little stand that you can get. This one I originally got on a stand in Westfield, but you can pretty much get it anywhere. This is my little iPhone work phone, which is currently dead because, you know, I'm a very busy girl and I do work a lot. So yes, that is my phone. Next off, I have my normal phone. So this is just my normal phone, and yes, it is my fiance with the front of it. Anyways, so yes, this is my just normal phone. I'm forever on it. That's why, again, I have an Anker. I absolutely love it. I've always had an iPhone and I love an iPhone. I think my first phone was like a little Nokia. I had a really bad Nokia phone, and it was literally, you know, front screen camera. It was terrible with a little dotted phone case. And then I upgraded to an iPhone 6 and now I've upgraded to an iPhone 7 Plus. Absolutely love iPhones, wouldn't change them, but obviously everyone has their preferences and whatever phone you have is perfectly fine. Next off, I have my eyelash brush. So I have this in my bag because I do wear a lot of false lashes. So a lot of the time, I don't really know why I have this in my bag. Yeah, maybe just to brush my eyelashes, but I don't ever really do it. I think I just have it in my bag just in case. It always come in handy. So it looks like a cup cleaner, you know, like a cup cleaner, you know what I mean. Okay, anyways, that's nothing else to be honest. That's all I have really. Normally I do have a lot more other things in my handbag, but for today I didn't really need them things, so I did remove them out of my handbag. And this is my bag for the day. This is actually from New Look and this is £19.99. I've had this for quite a while to be honest, and this is a bag that I really like to be honest. It fits everything, it goes well with everything, and yeah, it's cute, simple, and on the inside it's literally just like, I don't even know what material that is. Velvet. It's not even velvet, it's like a suede. So yes, it's from New Look and that's all really. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. Again, in the comments if there's literally any videos or anything that you want to ask me about what else would be in my beauty bags, or what else would be on my bags when I have certain kind of events, just write them down in the comments and I will get back with you with a new video. So for now, until next time, take care, love you all, bye. Cut it. You can cut it out, babe.